In this video, I'm going to show you how to mass delete Google Calendars. So, on gcaltools.com, you'll want to go to the WebTools section. Now, I'll just sign out to show you what this looks like when you sign in. First, select your Google account, grant the necessary permissions, and then you can either list all your calendars or type a keyword. I'll just list everything for now. Here we've got a list of all the calendars. If you've got hundreds, then you can change the page size here. And you can use this filter to select calendars that are visible, hidden, owned, or subscribed. Subscribed calendars won't be deleted. They will just be unsubscribed. Owned calendars will actually be deleted, so please back up your calendars first if necessary. For now, I'll just select a couple to show you how this works. Click Delete Selected, then Confirm Deletion, and after a short while, you'll see the selected calendars have been deleted. You might run into Google quota problems if you're deleting a lot of calendars, so you might have to wait a while, then try again. With a little patience, you should be able to delete hundreds, if not thousands, of calendars. The tool can run for up to 1 hour per session, so you can just leave it running for large numbers of calendars, and it should eventually delete everything. Thank you for watching, and please try out our other tools and subscribe to this channel.